always asking why I can't see you. When we gon' link, I'm busy like, but yeah, we outside today. If you really looking for me, I'm miles away. I be with my peoples in the hideaway. They can only see me on the holidays. Yeah. All the years my dad been locked up, now he finally free. Breaking generational curses, yeah, that started with me. So all my fams and my friends, they depending on me. All this pressure on my back and I could hardly breathe. Ain't no shame in my game, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Got the heart of a lion, so they know I'm a king. People see me all the time and say you doing your thing. Then they hit me back saying, yo, when we gon' link? But I ain't got the time today. But I probably hit you if I'm round the way. I be in the crib, that's where I hibernate. They can only see me on the holidays, yeah.
When they see me, it's different forms. Cause we steady elevating through the storm. Ain't no putting off yet, we just putting on. So breathe. They take your kindness for weakness and your presence for granted. The moment you give up your access, then they stories recanted. How he come out standing tall, whole time he was sure-handed. And how the root of all evil get recycled and replanted. Yo, don't abuse your privileges. Home is where the village is. Frame the portrait, don't go based on somebody else's images. Discover sources, word to Jehovah, they're your witnesses. Unlock the cobra, black mamba torture for all the scrimmages. You give some of what you got so they could feed off. And give them more than they had, just to bleed off. With nothing in return, yo, it's time to clean off. Them words that they was throwing, man, yeah, it start to peel off. And underneath there was a man unscathed, with 3 letters engraved. Lord knows he been saved. On mama's love he was raised, the final cost has been paid. Ain't no coming back, this time I booked the ticket one way. Maybe I'll return someday.
Duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf. Had to embark on this voyage. Double parked in the Taurus. Thank the ones before us to let us peep this was for us. Turn porous into pour up. Nas, Bellinis, and 3 letters what they call us. She in bikinis, I make it rain in her for us. Tropical forecast where the water be the purest. Can't get back time watching your wrist. Stay nourished. All that music brought us and it taught us. Spread it to your sons and daughters cause my duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf.
And we don't never compete. Yeah, the roads is bumpy. Sipping bubbly, now we living comfy. I be chillin' with my son, watching Teletubbies. Got a fine black woman and she call me hubby. I feel sorry for the woman who had tried to dub me. Now they wonder how my life turned out, come see. I pay my bills monthly, and I don't never rush things. It's just me and my brother and we stay hungry. Now we travel in the countries, which is very humbling. Cause coming from where we from, we done seen the ugly. Used to rock rugby, yeah, late night trooping. We would go to Stumpy's and cop fried dumplings. ISO.
Duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf.
Yo, dear
son, I'm spitting this before you fresh out. If I said I was blessed before, man, let's get in depth now. Give me a sec, yo, I gotta step out. The moment we saw the ultrasound, my heart skipped a step. Wow, the beauty of creation, I seen too much to wonder how it feel to take your first breath. For you, I would never double down. That word will be my truth to make your mother proud. Where we grew up, it was like summer house. I ain't raised you anywhere they could run you down. Just playgrounds, no spray grounds, unless it's a backpack you leaving out the front door with. In the moments I'm recording it, got to the point where we affording it. So I'm doing more with it than just scorning it. Finally found in the most and I'm sourcing it. If they left you, damn, why you forcing it? Ain't missing no meals, so I'm coursing it. Get off your high horse, I'm still portioning it. It took T&E, but now you see it in the coordinates. It's more of a connection with you, my boy, than I ever had. Proudest I ever been, let's just call it that. More of a spade from a spade, they ain't carding that. Probably ask why you go hard and rap, it's bigger than me. This why I go hard with rap, like face the harder truth. What I'm supposed to really not be vulnerable. You rather me dishonorable just cause you don't know another part of you. I uncover layers like bakers, may you feel this coming from a young savior. Make it look easy when really it got hard to do. But son, this won't be hard to do, and it won't be hard for you. Cause I put that on Alice and you won't have to wonder in this land what your dad would do. Yeah, when it come to you, I heard I gotta stay strong in the times your mother needs some loving too. Just making sure that she comfortable. Thinking one day I'll say that's my son for you. Anything you need, I'll get it done for you. That's why I'm working while I'm off for the glory we gon' run into, just run it through. Yeah. Firstborn, I see myself in you and I see you going far, so firstborn, I see myself in you and I see you going far, so just hold my finger, don't let go. Been waiting on this for so long, Yo, my baby boy, you bring me joy like no other. If it's anything for you, just know that I got you covered. When I found out the good news, I couldn't wait to tell my brothers. Kiss your mother on the forehead and I told her that I love her. We was lovers before you came into this world. And now that you here now, next we praying for a girl to give you a baby sis with a head full of curls. Just know daddy going hard.
Hey guys, so I've come to the end of my video. This is my final result. This is probably the easiest bridal or wedding look you can go for. It's like so simple, so elegant, so classy, so put together. It's very simple to do. Sometimes when I do my hairstyles, you guys say, oh, it may look like 5 minutes to you, but I took 2 hours to do it, or you took 2 hours to do it. The thing is, don't overthink it. Watch the video maybe like twice and get a hang of it and everything will be fine. But anyways, this is what the hairstyle is looking like. You can add jewelries if you want to. One of those, you know, wedding things that they usually add to the hair. I would love to add one, but the one I have, it was not really matching with this hairstyle vibe. But yeah, anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. This side is just connected to the backbone, and then here I just twisted it to add, you know, some sort of flavor. To add flavor to the hairstyle. I realized that there are so many weddings towards the end of the year, so I'm choosing to make like different bridal styles for you guys. If your hair is long, you do not have to add the bun or the clip-ins at the back. For me, I like this full look when it comes to like bridal looks. I just like that fullness. I dyed my clip-ins to kind of match my hair, but then I dyed it went too dark. It's darker than my hair, but it's not very visible. Regardless of that, this is what my hair is looking like. This is what I look like. Let me know if you guys will try out this hairstyle and you would want me to do more bridal styles. It doesn't have to be bridal. You can wear it to church, you can wear it to work, wherever you want to go to events, date night. Yeah. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you're going to try it out, let me know in the comment section below. Please do not forget to tag me in your videos, and I'll see you guys in your pictures, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.